Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is the creator combo kit, so there's a lot of goodies in here that I'm going to unpack for you guys today. After the unboxing, I am going to be taking you guys with me to show you how the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 works in the real world, show you all the features, and compare it to my iPhone camera and my Canon G7X. I'm really curious to see how the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 will show up compared to my iPhone and my Canon G7X, only because those have been the two cameras I've been using to vlog on my YouTube channel for probably the past 5 years or so. Maybe even longer, maybe 7 years, maybe even longer than that. I don't even know. It's been a really long time. So I will be showing you guys a side-by-side comparison, taking you guys maybe to the beach, to the golf course, to quite literally everywhere, maybe some of my favorite places. And then we're gonna see how the camera does. It is so tiny, I am excited to get into this. The Creator Combo Kit also comes with a microphone, and this microphone I feel like has been blowing up on social media about how good it is, and so I'm gonna be really putting it to the test, taking it places where it's very windy and very active and just like crowded places to see how it actually does. If you're a brand new to my channel, make sure to head down, go subscribe, turn on the post notification bell if you wanna be notified anytime I post a brand new video. Anyways, let's jump right into the unboxing. I just went ahead and updated the firmware on the camera and went through the whole setup. Here she is. My first impressions on the Osmo Pocket 3 are that it is very compact, very small. I think it's perfect. I think it's perfect size. I have fairly smaller hands, so the fact that it's literally the size of my hand is crazy to me. This is perfect. It's exactly what I wanted and exactly kind of what I was expecting. And the quality on the camera, when I first went ahead and turned it on, the quality is way better than I thought it would be. And it's almost like a wide angle lens. So if you are familiar with like the 0.5 camera on your iPhone, that's the kind of vibe it's giving me. And then you can go ahead and switch it from 1080p into 4K. I don't have an SD card in it right now. I should probably put one in. Oh wait, yeah, for a second I was like, wait, where do I put the SD card? You go ahead and put it in right there. Right as soon as I went ahead and opened up the box, it was to this bag, and this bag has all the rest of the attachments in it. First off, we have the DJI Mic 2. It looks like that. And to compare it to the Rode mic, this is the Rode mic right here. It's definitely a lot smaller, which I actually like more. Anything smaller is better to me. So there's that. I don't know. I was literally talking into this mic as if it was on. This is the one that's on. And then this bag is pretty small, but like I feel like you can fit quite a bit in it. Next up, I think this is gonna be the extra battery. And then this one is the little mini tripod. If I can grab it out of here. And then this one is one of the attachments where you can hook it on to an actual tripod. So that tripod that I just showed, the mini one, this would then be attached right there. And then this would plug into your camera. In order to put the camera on a little tripod, you do have to stick on this attachment, which you will see right there. Definitely makes it be a lot longer with the tripod. So then if you wanna have it set up, it's like that. Another thing that the Creator Combo comes with is this little wide angle lens, and I'm gonna open it up and put it on the camera. It is so tiny, I don't wanna lose this. Okay, I went ahead and put the wide lens on the camera, and already I can see a massive difference. But to be fair, like the camera itself, I feel like is already in like a 0.5, like it's already a pretty wide angle. At least that's what it looks like to me. Since I'm gonna mostly be using this camera for vlogging, I will probably always have the wide angle lens on it. And then I'm almost positive you can stack the lenses as well. So if you have like ND filters or any other filter that you wanna put on top of the lens, then you will be able to do it. Regardless of wherever you film, if it's daylight, if it's nighttime, if it's evening, if the sun's setting, the camera will adjust to then make the lighting be better. The last thing in the box that I did not go over with you guys just yet was, I think this is the protective case cover for the camera. Yeah, it is. Really caught my eye about the protective case is the fact that there is actually a little spot for your lenses. So if you have like a wide angle lens or if you have any other lenses, you can just stick them right in there and those will also be protected. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the little lens off. I'm gonna stick it in there, and it's all magnetic too, by the way. So this will just go right on in there and stick to it. So that goes right there. This is the best vlogging camera that is on the market right now, and I'm so excited to bring you guys into the real world and show it off and see how it performs. I wanna go through some of the features that have really stood out to me and will probably stand out to you too. First off is the 1-inch sensor, which you will see right there. The 1-inch sensor and then the 2-inch screen that is right here. If you're anything like me and you are constantly shooting long form content and short form content, this makes it super seamless to switch between the two. So if you wanna just go ahead and shoot in vertical, boom, and then there you have it. Another thing is that it's literally the size of your pocket. I'm wearing pockets right now, and let me see if it just fits in there. Kind of don't wanna like mess up the lens, but boom. There's the pocket that I'm wearing in these sweatpants. Fits perfectly in there. Another feature you can do on this camera is do an active track. So if you go on here, you can do face auto detect, and then if you click right here, dynamic framing, push joystick to the switch focus frame, press 5D button to start or stop following the object. So then and then right here, you can do a spin shot. I've seen so many videos of people doing those super cool spin shots. Typically it's a girl standing in front of a train, and then you click like 180 degree, you start, and then you pull back, and then the camera just does the whole thing. So here's the dynamic framing. I click start, it says push joystick to switch focus frame, press 5D button to start following object. So I'm just gonna switch it to me, and then I'm gonna start recording. Did I do it right? Okay, active track is now enabled. I'm gonna go over here on this camera and move around. So I put you guys right there. Oh, I think it's tracking me like the wrong way. Kind of looks funny though, but here we go. I'm over here right now. I'm even gonna when I make coffee vlogs soon, this is gonna be so handy for me to use. Also, I feel like I need to fix the alignment though. Okay, besides the point, I have to play around with that and get used to actually learning how to do all the features that are on this camera, because it is a learning curve, I will say. I also wanted to quickly run through everything that did come in the Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo Kit, just in case, you know, I maybe called something the wrong thing. But anyways, it comes with the Osmo Pocket 3 camera, Type-C to Type-C PD cable, DJI wrist strap, Osmo Pocket 3 handle with 1/4 thread, Osmo Pocket 3 wide-angle lens, the DJI Mic 2 transmitter in shadow black, the DJI Mic 2 windscreen, which is the little like bunny tail, the DJI Mic 2 clip magnet. Oh, I did see that in there. I meant to show that to you guys. The Osmo Pocket 3 battery handle, the Osmo Mini tripod, the Osmo Pocket 3 carrying bag, and the quick start guide, the disclaimer, and the warranty card. So for everything that came in the Creator Combo Kit, it was $669, well, and 99 cents. I feel like for a $600, $700 camera that can shoot in 4K, has all these accessories, the Mic 2 transmitter mic, like everything, I think that's a great deal. The camera that I'm filming on right now was like $2,000 to $3,000. So, and I feel like there really isn't that much of a difference between the two. And when I go to Italy and when I do a lot of international travel, taking this little camera with me is going to be so clutch, because I don't have to wobble around with a huge camera and risk getting robbed. I feel like if I'm out and about filming with this camera, no one's even gonna think to take it from me, you know? Like it's just so different. Like imagine this. I'm gonna use one of my other cameras as an example. Which one do you think is more likely to get robbed? For sure, the massive looking one. If you are a OG on my YouTube channel, then this is what I used to film my YouTube videos on. That concludes for our unboxing, and now I'm gonna get into the real test to see how it performs out and about vlog style, and we're gonna put it to all the test and see how she performs. Here we go. Okay, so I just got to the golf course and I have my wide angle lens on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I'm currently using the mic as well. But I'm also gonna go ahead and show you guys some comparison videos, and that's why I'm here at the golf course now. So I'm gonna go out here, I'm gonna go to the putting green, show you guys everything this camera can do, and I'm also gonna go ahead and compare it to my iPhone camera in 0.5, and then I'm also gonna compare it to my Canon G7X Mark III. Alrighty, you guys, I just turned the face tracking on and it is very, very windy right now. So I'm gonna walk around and see how the microphone does with the high winds and also see how the face tracking does while I'm walking around and moving around a bunch. Hopefully no one takes my bag because that would not be good because I'm gonna be walking around in the wind, walking away from my bag, which I should probably just bring it with me. I wonder if you guys can hear any wind or not. But now I'm gonna go back. We're gonna be going against the wind. Say hello to some strangers. It is such a beautiful day right now and it is so nice. I think it's like 4 or 5 p.m. now and sun's gonna, actually it's probably 4 p.m. because I think the sun sets at like about 4:35-ish. So here we go, we got some high winds again going. I wonder if you guys can hear that. The wind is blowing directly into the microphone right now. And if you're wondering why I'm out of breath right now, it's because I've been shooting and recording outside for probably the past like 3 hours. And it is toasty woasty. The other thing that's super cool about this mic is it actually has a magnet on the back so you can clip it to your clothing or you can use the actual clip that's on it. There we go. We got the clip on. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is how the mic sounds right there. I love how much nature and wildlife there is around a golf course. It's literally my favorite thing ever. One day I will live on a golf course. Anyways, now that we put the microphone up to the wind test, I'm gonna take you guys into a very public area where there's a lot of people walking, talking, maybe dogs barking, and we're gonna see how the microphone does in that very public setting. Another thing I'm gonna be testing out today is the auto tracking for your face. So I'm gonna walk around and we're gonna see how far it'll track me. So here we go, we're starting up close and personal. I'm gonna also go really far and see how long it'll track my face. I feel like I almost gotta like walk backwards. Definitely should not be walking in the street, but I just wanna see if it gets me really, really far away. Okay, let's see. Alrighty, you guys, we are at the bridge location and it is so gorgeous out today. I feel like I say this every day. It's Florida. It's always going to be really pretty, but I got the setup going right here to film some comparisons with the iPhone, the Canon G7X, and with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We have a very loud and pretty busy road right next to me here too. So here I am testing out the microphone. I'm also gonna go ahead and show you guys how stable this gimbal really is. So I'm gonna go back and forth and basically run across this pretty rigid platform right here. I don't even think, it's not really even a platform. It's like the thing that stops erosion. If I were to ever run a marathon, this would definitely be the camera that I would have with me because I could record my entire journey, be running around, and not have to worry about my footage being shaky at all because no matter how much movement I'm making, our footage is gonna stay stable.
I keep stepping off all times I'm laughing over. I keep wanting you too long. I keep tripping on myself thinking you're my lover. I've been way too long. Honestly, baby, I can't tell you why we can't be standing by each other's side. I wanna know my true feelings inside. Give me some time.
Alright, you guys, we are back and I am now testing out the low light and the face detection. As you guys just saw those comparisons, let me know down below in the comments which one you think is best.